In this video, I will show you how to officially update Windows 11. Windows 11 is not yet open to everyone. If you want to use Windows 11 first, you need to join Windows Insider. Go to any browser and type in Windows Insider. You need to register for the Windows Insider program. I have already registered Windows Insider. This is the process instruction to update your Windows 11. Here are 1 to 6 instructions. Read all the instructions carefully. Then click on Open Settings. Now connect with your registered email. Now restart your computer. Now restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe and share it with everyone.